Hi guys, welcome back to Rafthelsa vlogs. I have here my candle holder. This one is a metal candle holder which is heart-shaped design. I will show you, this is not a new, this is old metal. Look at this. It's like already brownish. So in order to look like brand new, so in this side, outside, I decorated it with flowerets, ribbon, flowerets, red color. And I just fix it one by one with the use of the hot glue. Just simply cut out the ribbon into 6 inches and then stitch in the other side until you end up to the other side of the ribbon. Then fold it up and lock into the center, and it will look like a flower type like this. Ihugutin mo siya, tapos ilalak. Then fix it with the hot glue, with the use of hot glue. Then just follow the design and cover it with the ribbon flowerets. Okay. And the same as on the back side. So at the back side, you can, it's the same. So you can add a pearl if you want to decorate it with some beads. So in order to look very simple only, so I just cover it like that. I just decorate it like that. Para simple lang siya. So you can use the tea light candle and just put it there. Okay? Ganyan lang. So this is a simple Valentine's candle holder. So you can display this one in the center of your table. Serve as your centerpiece. Table centerpiece. So just simply decorate it with a ribbon, a flower type. So you can also, if you don't know how to make these flowerets, so you can wrap around this metal with the ribbon also. Just wrap it around. I-wrap mo lang yung ribbon, and then at the end you have to fix it with the glue. Okay? And you can decorate anything you wanna decorate. For example, this is the ribbon, so you can put also ribbon on here on the top. This is a pasta. I painted it with the nail polish, like the color of my nails. This is the nail polish I'm using. Just paint the pasta and fix it with the hot glue. So you can use the pasta instead of ribbon. If you have pasta at home, just simply paint it with nail polish. If you have pasta like this, and then simply fix it all around with the use of the hot glue. If you have a hot glue, so i-fix mo lang dyan, oh, lahat, imbes na instead of fixing it with the flowerets, so just use the pasta so that you're not going to buy any more ribbon, and it's very easy for you. Okay, so guys, I hope you'll like this tutorial how to recycle your old candle holder, and it is very it's a money saving. So this is the nail polish I'm using, red color. So just simply paint your pasta. This, look at here, look at the back side, I will show you the color. So this is yellow because that is a pasta. So this is the glue, from the hot glue. So just simply polish it with the use of a nail polish. No need to buy acrylic paint. So whatever nail polish you have, so just make use of it. So look at this. This is the one I'm using for my decoration. Okay guys, thank you so much, and just click my playlist, how to create home decorations for the Valentine's Day. So you can find all my tutorials from my previous tutorial. So just click the playlist, how to create Valentine's home decoration. So that is our review for today, how to recycle the old candle holder by just simply cover it with the ribbon petals or flowerets. So this is our review for today, how to recycle or how to refashion or how to redecorate our candle holder. So thank you for watching, and God bless everyone. Happy Valentine's Day. Be happy, give love, and enjoy your celebration. Bye-bye. Ciao.